everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 11th to the 15th of July 2022 on Monday. Gladys goes on a date with Nkosinathi. Mr. Leballo buys Sbongile a new wardrobe. Kokoko offers Gugu and Chiamo a lift on Tuesday. Mike Jr. takes a bullet for the love of his life. Sbongile's temper makes a proposition that's hard for her to resist on Wednesday. Mike Jr. arrives at the hospital. Teddy confronts Sbongile about the school shoes. Kokoko wants to use Mike Jr. to get to Tati on Thursday. Mazette is saying she wishes Kokoko will hurry up and kill Tati. Nkosinathi says he doesn't know what Gladys wants from him when she says she isn't ready on Friday. A raging Stompy beats up Mr. Leballo. Pretty unwittingly calls an ex-lover by their pet's name. Kokoko pays Mike Jr. a visit in the hospital. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.